Hello parents, welcome to Super Kids Parenting. We were discussing about various activities under multiple intelligence. We have covered on visual intelligence and verbal intelligence. Today we are talking about activities related to the logical intelligence. There are various activities which you can do under logical intelligence, which probably you would be doing it at home, which covers on classifying, categorizing, again reading book to the child, answering to the child's questions, doing the puzzles, age appropriate puzzles. A few simple activities which you can do it at home for categorizing, classifying is you can the mixed fruits and vegetables, and then ask the child to categorize separately as fruit separate and vegetables separate. And even with vegetables you can categorize. If the child is, according to the age of the child, you can do this activity. Even with vegetables, you can ask the child to separate carrots from radish and give the counting also, 1, 2, 3. This is also one of the other activities which you can do it. And if you have the spoons and forks, you can ask the child to segregate the spoon separate and fork separate. Age appropriate puzzles are also available in the market, so you can get those puzzles and do the activity. This also, you can make of your own puzzles at home also. You can draw a picture, cut it into 2 parts, ask the child to join it. So these are some of the activities which you can do under logical intelligence, which comes on categorizing, classifying and puzzle related. For categorizing and classifying, you can do many activities. You can mix up pulses and cereals, ask them to segregate. You can mix cups and sauce, ask them to segregate. The different the objects of the different people at home, you can mix up. Then ask the child to segregate the clothes which is kept for drying. When it comes for folding, you can ask the child to segregate and do the activities. So lot of activities which you can do. Apart from this, you can draw different shapes and ask the child to go around, and when you say the shape name, the child has to go and stand in that particular name. It can be done for alphabets, it can be done for numbers, so that it can be done even for colors. So all these activities come under logical intelligence. So when we are combining the visual intelligence, you can do art and craft related activity. Verbal intelligence, you can do storytelling and story narration and reading book. And when it comes to verbal intelligence, lot of puzzles and classifying and categorizing related activity. So if you are doing each of the activity for each intelligence, it helps the child a lot, because early years are the foundation years, and 90% brain development happens within the age of 6 years. So do each of the activity for under each intelligence, by which you will know which intelligence is prominent in your child, and you can give some more activities related to that, and which the child is lacking. So you can give some more activities on the intelligence where child needs to be little bit doing more activities. Thanks a lot for watching this video, parents. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and enjoy. Happy parenting.